Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to order on the Chick-fil-A app using gift card. Let's get started. So first open the Chick-fil-A app and on your phone, and if you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Alright. Then open the Chick-fil-A app and then tap on the scan button at the bottom of the screen. And now to add funds, tap add funds and just below the QR code. And then on the next screen, select transfer a gift card at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll enter your gift card details. Alright, when you purchase a gift card, there are some codes that you can enter. Alright, and now enter the gift card number and a pin from a physical Chick-fil-A gift card. This will add the balance to your app's digital Chick-fil-A One card, and this is it on here. So you can also do this via desktop. And then once the transfer is complete, your gift card balance will be available in your digital Chick-fil-A One card in the app. You can check the balance anytime in the payment section. And if you still have questions, call them on this number during this time. And when you're ready to check out, go to your card and you'll see an option to pay with your Chick-fil-A One card, which now has the gift card balance. Just confirm your order details and tap place order. Your gift card will be used to cover the payment. Simple as that. And that's all there is to it. I'll see you in the next video.